Hello friends, how are you all? This is your host Pritam and you are watching Technical Portal YouTube channel. Guys, I have started a video series based on Microsoft Excel. Here we will learn about Excel from the very beginner level. You can check the playlist in my channel and also check the description box. There I will give you the link of the Excel data file which I am using in this video. So today we are going to learn how to count cells that are blank. So without wasting time, let's begin, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get all notification from my channel. So let's start. At first I am going to open the Microsoft Excel software and then I will run the OSK, that means the on-screen keyboard here, so that you can notice which of the keys I am pressing in my keyboard. Friends, I have already created a file of today's lesson, so let's open that file. Here it is. Today we are going to count cells that are blank, like that. I have already put the red color here so that easily I can identify which of the cells are blank and how many of that are blank. To count the number of cells that are blank, you can use the COUNTBLANK function. So let's start. You just simply type the formula here. The formula is equals to count, C-O-U-N-T, count blank, count blank, then put the first bracket open. Then here it is asking for the range. In my case the range is B4 colon B9, that means B4 to B4 colon B9. Then put the bracket close, then simply hit the enter. So friends, here it is. Here I have colored the cell that are blank, and the blank cells are 2 here. So the count blank formula actually gives the correct result. So let's see friends if this actually worked. If I write something here like orange, here it is friend, that means it worked. So let's see how the formula works. COUNTIF counts the number of cells in the range, that is B4 colon B9, that don't contain any value and returns the number as the result here. Cells that contain text, numbers, dates, error, etc. are not counted here. So you can easily get the result with the count blank formula. So that's all for today. See you soon guys. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you like this video. Please share your opinion and share this video with your friends. Keep learning, keep supporting my channel, and stay tuned.